What's going on, brothers? Welcome to Brotherhood Finance. Welcome back. I appreciate you becoming part of the Brotherhood and checking out the video today. Today we're going to be checking out my two favorite growth stocks that I believe are going to 5 or 10x in the near future, my bullish thesis on each one of these stocks, why I'm investing in these stocks, and how many shares I own of each, and how much I have in them. Again, I appreciate my Brotherhood Finance. Please like and subscribe to this channel as always. We have our links in the top right. Follow us on Instagram and TikTok for further information. Just before we dive into the video, Bitcoin has been doing great. If you want a full overview of Bitcoin, we first started talking about Bitcoin around the $24,000 price target. So if you want more of an overview and explanation of why it's been going up in the recent future, check out that video as well. But furthermore, let's dive into the two stocks. So the first stock we're going to be covering today is Planet 13. Here's Planet 13 right here. So Planet 13, if you don't know, it is a cannabis company in Los Angeles and Las Vegas, Nevada. They're currently building another superstore in California, and they're about to have 3 superstores. They own some of the top premium brands in the world. I've been preaching about this stock for about a year now, but on the YouTube channel, it's one of the first stocks that we went over. So right here, if you look, this is their board. So Larry Schaefer is the CEO, very reputable leader and CEO. He's been in the game for quite a while. And this company just recently signed a massive deal. They have a little over $100 million on their balance sheet on cash on hand, which will allow them to expand their operations, build better branding and networking, and grow Planet 13's business overall. And when I was analyzing this stock, sometimes I look at it as like the M&Ms of like candy or something. One of the best cannabis companies in the game, I think it is. If you want to buy this stock, the ticker symbol is TTCF. Currently it's trading around $7 to $8 a share. It is an OTC stock, which means over-the-counter stock. You have to buy it on Ameritrade or on Fidelity. Personally, I utilize Fidelity. That is my favorite. But there's a lot of new information and crazy things revolving around cannabis right now. I think it's a growing industry, just like EVs as well. So this article right here, Planet 13 double size in Las Vegas, Nevada. And then this is, our focus on providing a safe, personalized shopping experience. This company is growing crazy. They're expected to grow 87% in 2021, which is nuts. So again, here's Larry Schaefer. He is the resident of Nevada for 48 years. He founded Las Vegas Color Graphics Inc. 40 years ago in 1978 and grew into the largest privately owned commercial printing company in Nevada. So he knows how to grow businesses from the bottom up. And he served as a councilman for the city of Henderson, Nevada from 1990 to 1995. And he also served as a commissioner on 6 major commissions in the Nevada government. And he has an extensive background in real estate, has founded and is managing director of entities controlling over 1,000 acres in 3 states that are under some form of development as well. So very known man, very good CEO, and I believe he's going to build Planet 13 from the ground up. Currently, the market cap on this company, I believe, is around $1 billion. I think he's going to grow up from anywhere from a $5 to $10 billion company. So I think Planet 13 has massive opportunity. This is just more of the board of CEOs and directors. So here's the stock right here. They have the small superstores and then they have all the brands. Now, one thing that's massive that's coming right now into this space in the marijuana industry, again, ticker symbol PLNHF. If you check out our top 3 stocks I'm investing in, I actually mentioned the stock when it was around the $5 range. It has bull rallied up to about $7.48 now. But one of the main things that's happening right now in the space, in the marijuana space, is legalization is coming soon. So once legalization occurs, you're going to have this company being able to get more loans, making more money, building more superstores, repping their brand better, and expanding overall and increasing their ROI and revenue from the company. So again, I'm very bullish on this stock. Right here's the market cap. So it's 1.261, like I said, close to $1 billion, the market capitalization. So again, like I said, I think the plant has the making of a future Jack Jackson giant. When I say Jack Jackson, I mean the marijuana company. It is going to explode. Planet 13 is a very good stock, and I have been bullish on Planet 13 for a very long time. It is one of my favorite long-term stocks in the pot industry. So again, that's their superstore being manufactured. And originally they had a cannabis company in Nevada, but that was actually shut down. But now it is getting reopened. So they're going to have 3 superstores, all repping their brand. making positive cash flow. And this company, if legalization occurs, they're only going to do better. Just a couple more information for you guys. They signed a deal with Canada, and they sold $63 million worth of assets to the stock for $7 Canadian. So that increased their cash on hand to $100 million, like I was saying before. And then obviously we have legalization coming soon. We have a great management team. And we have more superstores growing. In addition to that, Planet 13, I'm not sure if you're aware, but the Jack Jackson companies are pot stocks, and pot in general actually has awards and rankings for the percent of cannabis or THC ratings, cannabinoids. So they actually rate their brands at how well they perform. And Planet 13 has some of the most reputable brands in the world, and they have been awarded for those. In addition, if you check out their investors page, they have chocolates, they have vaporizers, all kinds of stuff. So again, that's Planet 13. That's my bullish thesis on Planet 13. Kind of my overview of the company and why I'm so bullish on it. Let's check out the next stock. Let's dive into this, brothers. All right, brothers. So the next 10x stock that I am currently investing in is Vryyf. This stock currently, I believe, is trading around the $5 range. If you look at their financials, they haven't posted 2021's earnings yet, their first quarter. But they'll be posting it soon. The revenue has been doing great. Obviously, they're still not totally a profitable company, but they're getting close to it, and that income, operating expenses. The cash on hand and everything is increasing immensely. They have 8.14 million cash on hand. If you look at the prediction for this stock, analysts have this stock anywhere from a 1,130% increase. So they believe that the stock is going to be around $65 within the next 5 years. So this is a very great stock to be invested in. I've been preaching this stock as well. And I own a lot of this company as well, just like Planet 13. Planet 13, I own around, I want to say, 400 shares of Planet 13 stock. And Very Good Food Company, I think I own 150 or so. I actually want to increase my shares on Very Good Food Company. So let's dive into Very Good Food Company. And if you want more of an overview on both of these individual stocks, again, you can check out the top 3 stocks I'm investing in, and I go over more of an overview of these stocks if this isn't enough information for you. All right, for sure. So let's dive into this presentation. Again, make sure you check us out on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, and then also our Discord's down below. So Brotherhood Stock Trades, the best free Discord chat to get into the world. But let's dive into the Very Good Food Company presentation. So again, like I said, the company is trading around $5. So here's their quarter 3 fiscal results. Something I look at quite immensely and frequently when I am about to invest in companies. So they had a 322% year-over-year gross margin, which is massive. So that's their year-over-year growth. And production volume sold in the 3 months period, an increase of 37.2 compared to prior quarters. Total assets, including a cash balance of $8 million compared to 400. Their outstanding debt has been reduced to the remaining balance of $40,000. So again, this company has been doing very well recently. The revenues have been increasing, and their ROI has been increasing. A couple, big news happening. So they're actually doing a lot more e-commerce sales, and they have been talking about, growing their brand more and starting to sell to bigger platforms and providers like Walmart, etc. So they've had a 2,813% increase in order volume compared to 550 last year. So that is massive. They had 16,000 orders in 2020 compared to 550. So this massive growth for Very Good Food Company, ticker symbol VRYYF. Very recently launched a separate U.S. e-commerce website to provide a more seamless customer service experience to U.S. consumers and for better search engine optimization. So this is huge again. And then obviously CEO Mitchell Scott commented, "We are thrilled that Kevin has joined the team." So he's brought on a new board member, and he has a proven track record of launching and scaling high-growth plant-based food brands. Again, plant-based food brands are doing amazing right now. Some other companies that we have talked about on Brotherhood Finance that have gone up substantially are Beyond Meat, ticker symbol BYND. They just signed a deal with Pepsi, and I like to think of this company as a smaller, kind of like Beyond Meat when it was in its early stages. I think VRYYF has a lot of potential, and I think this stock is going to do great. And again, the Very Good Food Company announced its director of U.S. sales and provides e-commerce updates. So Kevin is going to be the new director of sales for e-commerce, and Barry has already received numerous requests for product samples from large U.S.-based retailers and look forward to our products being on their shelves in the near future. So like I was saying, bigger providers like Walmart, Kroger. I think one day, very good food company, those brands are going to be more available and applicable for people to buy, which is going to grow this company and this brand and this industry yet alone. Plant-based foods are doing amazing. So those are the two stocks that I'm invested in heavily. These are my next 10x stocks. I appreciate you stopping by Brotherhood Finance. Again, please leave a like and subscribe. Leave any questions down below if you have any. I appreciate you stopping by. I appreciate you being part of the Brotherhood. Take it easy. Peace.